Alright, this is going to show you how you can cut this into two pieces to have your alter ego on one side and you on the other. So right now you want to picture this as two pieces of paper. I'm going to take the opacity and pull this all the way up. So on the first piece of paper is the picture of you. I'm going to make that invisible, and then underneath it is the picture of your alter ego. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your face and you're going to cut it into two pieces and decide on which one you want to have visible. So we're going to be using a new tool for us. It is the polygonal lasso tool, or just the regular lasso tool. If you're on the lasso tool, you should have a little arrow on the side, and if you right click, you'll see that there's three different options. We're going to look at the lasso tool and the polygonal lasso tool. We're not using the magnetic lasso tool for this project. So if you click on the lasso tool, what this allows you to do is it'll allow you to select by just drawing a shape, and in that spot you can do, pretty much whatever you want. You can paint on it, so it just basically selects an area. So what we're going to do is we're going to use this lasso tool, and we're going to select half of the face. To deselect, you hit Command and D, and that'll deselect it. You can start again. Now I went to the command and I hit minus a bit, so I wanted to be able to see the top and the bottom, because I'm actually going to start outside of the picture, and I'm going to start drawing a line going straight down the face. You can try different things, but it seems to me that going down where the face would be, down the nose and between the mouth, between the eyes and on the mouth, creates a nice look. So I go to the edge and I let go. So right now I have selected one half of the face, and once again, if I wanted to change it, I hit Command D, and that will deselect it, and then you can just start again. So you can make it as wavy or as straight as you want. You could try different sort of effects. So I went to the outside. You want to make sure you have every part of it selected. You can see right here in the corner I don't have all of that selected, so I'm going to do it one more time. Okay. And once you have your space ready, you're going to right click inside of this space anywhere at all, and you're going to go to click on Layer via Cut. So if you look at your layers window, you can see that you cut your face into two pieces. I make that one invisible. You can see that side, and you can see that side. So again, if you wanted to start again, you can absolutely either merge these two layers together, or if you see a little seam, you can just undo it. I have the history available here. If you don't have history and you want to grab that, so you can kind of go back to where before you started, you can go up to Window and just make sure that history is checked, and then these windows you can drag over to wherever you want, so they're out of the way. I like to have just these two open. So the next thing I'm going to show you, if you go to the lasso tool, we'll try the polygonal lasso tool. Same idea, but what it does is it allows you to make a jagged edge. Every time you click, you're making a new angle, and kind of go way on the outside. I right click, Layer via Cut, and so it kind of depends on the look that you want. You can try different times, different things, and again, you can keep going back to the history until you find something that you're satisfied with. You're going to decide which side that you would like to use. Okay.